Good morning and welcome to this week's podcast. Another great topic for you. What we're going to do this week is talk about what happens when you refer a client to Credit Law Center. And so everybody's going to go through the exact same experience. For just $1, we're going to walk a consumer through how to get a copy of all 3 credit reports and scores and be able to show them immediately what they can do themselves to improve their credit score. And not only that, we'll be able to show them when they're going to get the points based on those efforts. We're also going to show them how many points they have available based on us working on the negative information on their credit report. And so, again, for just $1, they're going to get a copy of all 3. Then we're going to walk them through the items on their credit report and show them inaccuracies that we find and explain how we use those inaccuracies as leverage to gain a deletion. And when that leverage doesn't work, we pursue them. Remember, we have consumers that come to us every month that are looking to improve their credit score and get qualified for that mortgage and walk away with not only an improved credit score, but a settlement from one of the data furnishers for failing to follow procedures or the law, right? So we use the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, as leverage in our repair process. Unlike most credit repair companies, we also use the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. It is not uncommon for a lot of our clients to have multiple collections on their credit report. And when you see multiple collections on a credit report, there's a really good chance that that person is getting called and possibly harassed. But even if they're not being harassed, they're just getting calls, texts, or emails. When they hire us, they are retaining a law firm. And now they are represented by a law firm. And if those debt collectors continue to call, text, email, communicate with them in any way, they are contacted a represented party. And that's a violation of the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Just one of the many tools we use in the credit repair process. We're unlike any other credit repair company you can find in the country because we use the law to our advantage to help consumers improve the credit score. A lot of times, consumers don't need all of that. Sometimes it's just a matter of educating them on how changing the way in which they pay their credit cards can increase their score, right? So we're going to show them what they can do themselves right here, right now, out of the gate, and that may be all they need. And they're only out $1, and they've got a copy of their credit report and the knowledge they need to take the next step forward themselves. If they need more than that, we're here to help. We offer 2 payment options. We've got an option that is only pay for what items get deleted when they get deleted. We also have a monthly option that we found over the years really helps a lot of consumers that are on a budget. And so they understand what expense they have coming up next month, and it's not as open-ended. But we're going to give them both options. Everybody gets both options. They get to choose which one works best for them, right? So hopefully this information helps you understand a little bit more about what we do and how we do it and makes it more comfortable for you to refer your clients to us. We've built our company on the backs of referrals from our referral partners. Loan officers are the best way for us to build our business and how we choose to build our business. So we're interested in partnering with you and helping you close more loans. In fact, the first referral you send to us will get a 50% discount because it comes from you. And we really help educate the consumers on that. If you're a consumer seeing this and want to take advantage of that 50% discount, all we ask is that you work with or at least talk to one of our preferred partners. We don't guarantee that you have to use them, but we want to help them help you. So hopefully you found this information helpful this week. Crazy news going around everywhere, but I thought this was the most important topic of this week. So hope you have a fantastic day and look forward to talking to you again next week.